So guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make $300 to $900 per day typing and writing. A lot of people just keep on sharing websites like Text Broker. I'm sorry, it's Text Broker. Okay, and I'm going to share with you a website that is going to pay a lot more money than Text Broker. Okay, and the website has been listed in the Inc. 5,000 companies. So you can really think that it is not going to be a scam website. But before that, if you want 100% free training to go from 0 to $10,000 in sales, selling other people's products, starting from scratch, then click the link in the description and get access to the free training right now. It's completely free training, and after that training you will be able to go from 0 to $10,000. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now we are simply going to dive onto the website. As you can see, the website is the writer's access. Okay, and let me show you, the website has been listed in the Inc. 5,000 companies. Okay, so now how you can actually make money and how much this website generally pays. And in the end of the video, I'm also going to share with you one hack with which you can really write articles very much fastly. Okay, so now let's just think, see the payments over here. So basically they do have three marketplace. First of all, we are going to compare it with the text broker. As you can see, if on the text broker you do have two-star rating, you're going to get paid 1.7 cents. Okay, and thereafter you can say it's 1 cent, and finally 1 point for at most it's only 5 cents per word, 5 cents per word. But when we are going to hop over here, you can see the basic marketplace over here is ranging from 2 to 10 cents. It really depends upon the quality client's demand. Okay, it can be 2 cents and it can be 10 cents, but over here it's hardly there is any 2 cents. Okay, it's not even 2 cent over here, and they are going to pay minimum of 2 cents, and then it's over 10 cents. So as you can see in the pro marketplace, we are also going to look at what do we actually need to enter into the pro marketplace. Okay, so over here, as you can see, from the 11 cents to $2, it all depends on the client, what kind of the client they are getting. And over here, you can see the verified rates. If you are a verified writer over here, then probably you can write for others, and you can charge whatever you want. Just think about it. You are already an expert over there, and you can literally charge anything over there. Okay, and it's coming in the February. Okay, so now we are going to look at this over here. So first of all, the basic marketplace. So as you can see, if you have three-star level, okay, three-star level in the basic marketplace, then you are going to get paid 2.8 cents. Okay, 2.8 cents per word. And when we are going to hop onto the text broker, we have three-star, it's 1 cent. It's just 1 cent. And on the writer access, it's three-star at 2.8 cents. And when you are going to just go the level up and up, it's again the three-star level. But again, in the three-star level, if your spelling and grammar is correct, yeah, it's till the three-star, I think the price is same. Okay, yeah, so okay, the level is keep on upgrading, you can see. So as you can see over here, yeah, it's 4.2 cent. After you are going to get all these things, you will be paid 4.2 cents for every single word. Okay, and as you are going to go up and up, the price will be keep on getting up 5.6 cents. And the more and more the level you are going to upgrade, the price will keep on going up and up. And at the 6-star level, you will be get paid 7 cents per word. And this is just the basic marketplace. Okay, so now we are going to look at the pro marketplace. And as you can see, the pricing by you. Okay, so pro writer access members access can light pool, stuff like that. Verified rates coming soon. Okay, so per word completion at so writers can choose to apply only for the pro marketplace or both marketplaces. You review clients projects and negotiate flat rate fee. It all depends on what do you actually want to charge, whether you want to charge 8 cents per word price, or an hour price, or you want to charge a flat rate. You can negotiate with them. Okay, so as with the small projects, it's 8 cents per word. Okay, and as we are going to go up, the bigger the project is going to be. And for example, you can see in the small projects are having low research, low complexity, low visibility. And as you are going to go up, it has been increased from 8 cents to 17 cents. And over here comes the quick research, detailed instructions, with some visibility, and it has been done already 3 times, more than 3 times. And then the online research, complex specification, higher visibility, and interviews required, stuff like that. So look at this, 90 cents per word. Okay, yeah, probably a lot of stuff is needed over here, but if you can scale up to this point, you will be able to make a ton of money. So when we are going to go up over here, high visibility, high research, highest complexity, and the highest visibility. Look at this, $1.33 per word, $1.40 per word. Okay, $1.40 per word, and over here 105 plus dollars per hour. And you can also negotiate this stuff. And over here the $700 flat rate fee for a simple project. So this is what the website, there is nothing scam on this website because it has been listed on the Inc 5000. And probably I also researched and I found that this website is totally legit. And also this website will pay you via PayPal. Okay, for PayPal payments you need to enter your email address over here. So I really think that this website can be a big hit for you. You can simply come on this website, okay, and can simply apply for the writer. I will leave the link of the description of this website in the description. Okay, and you can also, if you want to learn about the content strategy, how to write the content, then you can simply download their free book. I think it's free, or I don't really. Okay, so what is the shortcut over here? The what I want to share with you is you can simply head over to the Google Docs, and you can simply start speaking your thoughts on the topic. And after that you can simply just edit the stuff, because you will be able to speak in a faster way than while writing. But you can then simply go and edit all that stuff, because hardly there will be very less mistakes, and more a lot of them will be highlighted with the Grammarly. You can simply install this, it's free Gram plugin, and this will help you to write a lot more articles than just you are going to type. Okay, so I really hope that this video has helped you. But if you want to make at least $100, I'm sorry, it's from zero to $10,000, then check out the link in the description. I have prepared a free ebook for you, and with that you can easily go from zero to $10,000. Okay, so I will see you in the training.